He's pulling the entire obstacle with it. Jeff, have her give it a little gas.
With Where2Wheel, and I wanted to give a shout out to our Where2Wheel stickers here today. All proceeds go to our off-road park mission. They are name your own price, minimum of $5. Link is in the description.
Today.
I am happy, and I am driving the Jeep Gladiator, pretty much stock. I've only got 33s on here. That's the only upgrade I have. I don't have a winch or anything like that yet.
All right, well, we'll see what she does today. Awesome, thank you.
Thank you.
Yep. What about you, Hunter? What are you driving today?
97 TJ.
Anything you want to let us know about it? What size lift?
It's got a 4.5 inch lift. It's got a 4.7 stroker in it, and looking forward to having fun with it.
All right, I'm excited to hear that stroker run. Hey, Kimmery.
Hi, I'm here with Jill Pill.
Yep, Jill Pill, the Metal Cloak Jeep. We know all about that, JK. What about you guys? What are you guys driving today?
My name is Vern. We're driving a 2013 JK with a Terraflex 2.5 inch lift kit on it and 35s.
Awesome. We'll see how she does today.
Let's go wheeling.
Yep, that's right. Let's go wheeling. Who wants to go first? Julie? Give us a little 10 seconds on your Jeep.
Morning, Julia Vasquez. This is my 2007 JKU, 35-inch tires and a Terraflex 3-inch lift.
Awesome, awesome. Marlon, your turn.
It's my turn. 2010 JK modified, 35-inch middle tires, 3-inch Terraflex lift, red Zeppelin package, nothing but attitude.
That's right. All right, Ruby, tell us about your club and
Howdy, y'all.
yep.
Jeep Expeditionary Club, and this is Vitamin C. Y'all seen them out here, so we're gonna have fun today.
Awesome, awesome. Let's go wheeling. All right, we got two more.
Hey everybody,
What are you driving today?
this is Aria, 2011 JKU.
Awesome, awesome. We'll see how she does.
Okay, in the absence of my husband, this is Grenade. It's 2014 Rubicon. It has a 4.5 inch rock crawling long arm lift with 40 inch and the KMC beadlock machete.
Jeez. Oh, wow.
First time taking it out, so it's gonna be exciting.
Yeah, this will be exciting for sure. Let's go wheeling.
Woo!
You're all right, you're all right. Almost done. There you go. No, he's clear.
Okay, just use zip ties, you're good. I want to make sure what they're waiting for.
Nice.
Good job.
One.
There you go. That little bump.
Vern, you got lockers, right?
It's a single cross member that we're getting hung up on.
Yeah.
Oh,
Might be winching now.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, that might do it. That might do it. Oh. Yeah, do you have any reverse?
He's out the ground like a turtle.
Okay, I think we're winching, Vern.
We're turning up the obstacle. Faster a little bit. Can you carry your lights?
There we go. Nice driving.
Start straightening out a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright, come straight. Just wait a little bit. Alright, there you go. Come on. That's interesting. I'm watching the way it all reacts. I haven't seen this one yet. How was it?
Not bad.
Okay.
It was right at my limit.
Oh, you're doing good.
I mean my mental.
You're good. Oh, you know I got your back. All right, coming down. There you go. Good. This way just a little bit. There you go. All right. All right, come on. Give it a little bit of driver. A little bit of driver. There you go. Woo-wee. Don't move.
There we go.
More to me. More to me. All right, come on. There you go.
Here's our rock slider.
That's why you got a winch. All right, winch time. Stuck. Winch time. Yep. Give it a little help. Give it some gas. There you go. You're clear. You can drive down now. I'll pull it. Right? Yep. Lockers on? Okay. All right, you should be climb right over with those lockers on. Nice driving.
There you go, you're perfect. Cut it out. Oh. Yeah, there you go. Ah, back up, reline. Back up and reline.
Bud back there is going to be
Yeah, that's what's making them kick around.
Yep.
The mud's grabbing your rear end. That mud's got him.
You just swim around this way.
Try a little bit more extreme this way, Darren. Not much. All right, there you go. Try that. Come on. Does he have lockers?
Yes.
All right, slow down, stop, go, come straight. There you go, straight. Come driver a little bit more. I'm going to try to catch your back tire. Come on, keep coming. Drop it down. Stay driver. All right, now straighten her up. Back it up a little bit.
He can turn passenger and head out, go forward, get off this, just go with a single tire.
Turn passenger and try to go straight. Try to get you flopped off this tire. I'm not sure he's going to high center that other one or not.
No, he's got plenty of clearance on the other side.
You got skid plates down there, right?
Not on them.
What's that? You don't have them? All right. Go ahead, you're good. There you go.
Nice. Clean exit.
Hey guys, I'm Wyatt Bell. I'll be behind the scenes sometimes. Sometimes you'll see me in front of the camera, but I'm on the executive team of the Where2Wheel. Make sure you guys like this video, share this video, comment on the video if you like. And also, this is the month of October in 2022. I'm looking to have conversations with some people that really want to be involved in our mission here. So if you have some free times on the weekends, I'd love to hear from you. Again, Wyatt Bell. You can find me through the Where2Wheel Proving Grounds or Wyatt Bell on Facebook. Thank you.